Welcome to the channel. Here, we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today, we're tackling the word mosaic. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is mosaic. Let's break it down. First, we have ma, which rhymes with go and show. Next is zay, which rhymes with day and carries the main stress. Finally, ick, which sounds like ick in tick. Now let's put it all together. Mosaic. Try repeating after me. Mosaic. Now a little faster. Mosaic. And at full speed. Mosaic. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Mosaic refers to a picture or pattern made by arranging small pieces of material, like glass, stone, or tile. It can also describe something made up of various elements or parts. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce mosaic and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.